Welcome to the Learning Studio, and thank you for continuing your journey through our law series. In today's episode, we explore a branch of law that quietly shapes our daily lives, whether you're signing a lease, shopping online, or resolving a dispute. Civil law. To explore the full law playlist, don't forget to check the link in the video description below. Imagine your neighbor built a wall that crossed into your property, or a company sold you a defective product that caused harm, or you lent someone money and they never paid you back. These aren't crimes, but they're still legal problems. And this is where civil law steps in. What is civil law? Civil law is the branch of law that deals with disputes between individuals, organizations, or both. It governs private relationships, protects legal rights, and provides remedies, usually in the form of compensation or specific performance, not punishment. Where criminal law says you broke the law, here's your sentence. Civil law says you caused harm, now make it right. What does civil law cover? Civil law is vast and touches nearly every part of life, including contract law, agreements between people or businesses; tort law, when one party harms another through negligence or intentional acts; property law, ownership, transfer, and use of land or assets; family law, marriage, divorce, custody; inheritance; employment law, workplace rights and obligations; consumer law, protecting buyers from unfair practices. Each subfield is essential for maintaining fairness and trust in society. Historical insight. Civil law has ancient roots, going back to the Roman Empire, which gave us the term civilis, meaning relating to citizens. Over time, this evolved into civil law systems, still used in much of Europe, Latin America, and parts of Asia and Africa. In contrast, common law systems like those in the UK, US, and India rely heavily on precedent, meaning judges' past decisions guide future rulings. Despite differences, the goal is the same: resolving disputes fairly, peacefully, and systematically. Take the famous British case of Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932. A woman found a decomposed snail in her ginger beer bottle and sued the manufacturer, even though she didn't buy the drink herself. The court ruled in her favor, creating the legal concept of duty of care and transforming tort law forever. This case wasn't about crime, it was about responsibility. That's civil law in action. Why civil law matters today. Civil law keeps businesses accountable. It ensures fair divorces and child custody. It resolves land and housing disputes. It empowers consumers, protects intellectual property, and ensures that promises are kept. In a world that's becoming more interconnected and legally aware, civil law is more important than ever. What's next? Whether you're planning to be a lawyer, entrepreneur, policymaker, or simply someone who values fairness, understanding civil law helps you navigate the real world. In future videos, we'll explore its subfields, like contracts, torts, and property law, in greater detail. Stay tuned and stay sharp. This is the Learning Studio, and you're watching the Law Series.